Okay, so what we got here is a Toyota CHR 2020 installed with the Starline M66 V2 immobiliser tracking and phone call notification system. So if a thief tries to start this car without using the Starline tag, as you can see, it does not say ready, so the vehicle will not turn on. It's fully immobilized, and what's going to happen is the system's going to call you to let you know someone's trying to start the vehicle.
Alarm in alarm system mode. Ignition is on.
So it lets you know someone's trying to start the vehicle. So use your tag to disable the system. When the system's turned off, you can drive the vehicle. So if you do not have your tag with you, you cannot start this vehicle. And as you can see, the vehicle turns on, says ready at the bottom. Also has tracking and remote immobilization. So if you want this installed on your Toyota CHR, see the link down below. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.